We were in $166,000 of non-mortgage debt when we first got married. Now, this was incredibly stressful and overwhelming, but we knew we had to climb out and move forward in order to obtain our family goals that we had in mind. Now, it was difficult at first. However, climbing out of this amount of debt was so helpful and instrumental in what we now do as a family and what we now do as a married couple. And it's just been an incredible journey to be able to go from incredibly in debt to living debt-free, and in the process of just building a legacy for our family. The skills that I've learned throughout this process, the career endeavors that I'm now involved in, have all come out of this place of getting out of debt, figuring out our personal finances, and moving forward in order to build something beautiful for our family. I'm excited to share with you how we got out of this massive amount of debt, and as well as share the life experiences that God has blessed us with throughout this process. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.